I learned how to make this pork chop from the chef of a famous restaurant. And to start with, I have here 1.5 kilos of pork chop, and we're going to remove this part here from the pork chop. 1/4 cup of smoked paprika, then 1/4 cup of garlic powder, 2 tablespoons of lemon pepper, 2 tablespoons of sweet paprika, 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 2 teaspoons of salt and black pepper to taste. Now we're going to mix these seasonings. Next, we're going to take our pork chop and place it here on top of the seasonings. We're going to cover the whole thing. The ribs with this seasoning, I'm going to put barbecue sauce here in this container. And I have a pineapple here already peeled, and I'm going to dip it here in the barbecue sauce. Once that's done, we're going to put the pineapple in, and to help it stick, I'm using barbecue sticks. And now just take it to bake at 200 degrees for 2 hours. We're going to cut the crown off the pineapple. Then we're going to cut it down the middle like this. Then we're going to cut this pork rib, and we're going to put our pork ribs on. And I'm going to finish with this broth from cooking the pineapple with the meat. And until the next video, bye-bye.